Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Messenger. After that we need to go to our conversation, and here we need to click on name of our companion, and here you can scroll down and click go to secret conversation. And that's all. Now we turned on end-to-end encryption. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.